My husband researched next door, Google reviews, that kind of thing, and Elk Horn came up as one of the highest rated. Not only highest rated, but the most ratings. It had a large number of ratings. We decided to paint because our exterior paint was looking pretty rough. You could see wood through the paint in parts, and I think that's because our house was part of a new build where the builders don't do the greatest job on the initial paint. So they had someone out here within a couple days to do the estimate. The estimate was great. It only took, a couple minutes for me just to kind of show him around, and then he did his thing and then came in and gave us the estimate. So that part was easy. We got to accept the proposal electronically. So it was really easy to do all these pieces. And then we decided to just tell them, whenever you're ready, just contact us. And I think you get a little bit of a discount for doing that. So they called us one day and said we can start in 2 days. So that was fine with us because it was great. Beginning of March, end of February, the weather was kind of nice one day and bad the next. We had a few good days. They were going to squeeze us in, and they did. They got here. I think the best part for us was the amount that it really didn't inconvenience us at all. We felt like this is like nothing for us. We could get in and out of the house when we needed to. We could get our cars in and out of the house when we needed to. The crew was great. It was kind of fun to watch them because they had fun. They had fun doing the house, so that was fun. And as a Colorado native, I love to give Colorado businesses my business, especially because I live in Castle Rock. I love it even more when I can give a Castle Rock business my business. So we had a great experience with them. I would recommend them to anybody.